Hi everyone, and welcome to the first episode of my video series on Introduction to Research Methodology. I'm Hamidreza Bolhasani, PhD of Computer Engineering, researcher, and visiting professor. I also have the honor of acting as a scientific reviewer in several prestigious publications and journals in Elsevier, Springer Nature, Frontiers, Taylor and Francis, and many other publications. I'm also founder and chief data scientist at DataBox. In this video series, I wanna introduce and discuss with you about the fundamental and basic of research, the very nice and amazing world of discovery and research. If you had any question and for more queries or something like that, you can contact this email address. Okay, let's go. So the first things that come to our mind is what is research, the terminology, because at the first of any science we should take care of the terminology. And also I have put the reference for each of my statement and a slide here. For example, here you can see the reference is from Wikipedia Encyclopedia. Okay, so I will discuss in each episode about 5 minutes, and I will try to make them as short as possible because I don't want you that become tired. Okay. Okay, from the research came from the French word recherche, which means to travel through or survey. Research, this is one of the excellent definition for research. And during these episodes in the later, I will teach you how to do a research, how to write a research paper, and what kinds of research there are. Okay, and I will show you some real cases. So research is an active, diligent, systematic process. Active, diligent, and systematic process of inquiry in order to discover, interpret, or revise facts, events, behavior, or theories, or to make practical applications with help of such facts, laws, or theories. The term research is also used to describe the collection of information about a particular subject. For example, when you are writing a review that I will show you later, or a survey, this is the last term, the collection of information about a practical subject, but you should also bring a contribution, bring a value to this collection that I will discuss with you later. Okay, so what are other insightful definitions from research? The first one, the process of inquiry. You can see inquiry is also was also in the previous definition. An investigation, it is systematic, methodical, and ethical. Ethical is very important because in some researches like medical research and some other research, the ethic problems are very important. For example, in some research related to medical science, ethical code is required in many journals. For example, you should keep the privacy of patients' information, and you should not release the information of the private information of persons. Okay, research can help solve practical problems and increase knowledge. Second definition, systematic, intensive, patient study. Patient because it needs time and patience. Okay, An investigation in some field of knowledge, usually employing the techniques of hypothesis and experiment, whose purpose is to reveal new facts, theories, or principles. 3. A systematic investigation, including research development, testing, and evaluation designed to develop or contribute to generalizable knowledge. This is very important, that the knowledge that extracted from a research should be generalizable. For example, it's not dedicated to just one case. You can generalize this theory to the whole world, okay? Maybe in some special cases not like this, but this is very important. Okay, and at last, systematic study directed toward more complete scientific knowledge or understanding of the subject studied. These are also from this reference, from this author and research methodology. Okay, so we can conclude that research follows a scientific method, because in previous definition, all of them we saw that it should be systematic, okay, and method, it should have a method. I will show you in the next episodes that, for example, in analytical research you should have a method, in another research you should have different methods. So all of them are systematic, but there are different methods. This means that it makes an integrated use of reasoning, okay? This makes it very useful for explaining and or predicting phenomena. This is very important. For example, right now with the help of artificial intelligence, AI, we can predict many phenomena. For example, we can predict the risk of breast cancer with the help of AI, with a high level of accuracy. So this is a very excellent definition from research to explain or predict phenomena. The basic assumption of the scientific method is that every effect has a cause. This is also important, because in many cases we are looking for the cause, for example, to prevent it or to solve the problems that caused by that. For example, what is the cause of or causes of breast cancer or other cancers? This is a research. Okay, and what are the purpose of research? Explain new phenomena, generate new knowledge. Each research should add a value and contribution to another research to make the knowledge more great and generate new knowledge. Provide solutions to problems. Right now, one of the most important skills is problem solving. We have many problems, and a good research is about to find a method to solve these problems, and in the industry they will follow this research to find a practical way and to make it realize. Many things that we see today as a real application or practical thing or device, at first there were problems, but now they become a real thing. Explore and analyze problems. Review or synthesize existing knowledge. Investigate its existing situations or problems. and construct or creative and new procedures or systems. Okay, I think for this episode is enough. In the next episode I will talk about the features and features of a high quality research. How is a high quality research? What should it have, and how should it like to be? Okay, so I hope that this episode was useful and informative for you, and I hope you enjoyed that. And if you liked it, kindly don't forget to subscribe in my channel and also introduce it to your friends and colleagues who are interested. Hope see you in the next videos, and bye.